Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to Just Sophia. So guys, I am seated here just checking my website, like the progress of my website, and I can't stop to think, guys, what if I didn't start it? Yeah, so I see how I am growing, and I am really growing, guys. Yeah, since the I started this website, my blog, more than a year ago. I think it's now 1 year and like 2 months. Actually, it's exactly 1 year because I started last year in July. So now, guys, I'm here to talk about why you should start your blog today or in 2023. So, guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, my name is Judith. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance, motherhood, personal development, just anything that will change the course of your life for the better. If that is the kind of content you're looking for, be encouraged to subscribe to the channel, guys. Click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So now, guys, have you started your blog? Do you love do you love writing? Would you like to share your story, your journey, or something you're passionate about, whether it is fitness, whether it is motherhood, whether it is gardening, just anything that you would love to share with the world? If you have answered yes to any of those questions, guys, you need to start a blog. And the good thing about starting a blog is that you will earn from doing something that you love. Unlike, where you are currently employed, sometimes you just do the job because now you need the pay, you need the paycheck. But now this one, you'll be doing something that you love and earning from it in the long run. So guys, these are some of the reasons why you should start a blog today or in 2023, especially for those who already work online as writers, as freelance writers. I encourage you guys, this is the time to start your own business, guys. We have seen what is happening. It is not good. Most of us do not have jobs. Like, I don't know if it is because of AI, if it is because of the economic situation all over the world, or the war, or post COVID consequences. I just don't know. But now the thing is, jobs are hard to come by, and this is the time that you should actually think to start your own business so that you don't depend on clients or anyone else, guys. The good thing about starting your own website is that it is your own. It is your own website. At the end of the day, if all goes well, if it grows, you're the one who is going to benefit. You're the only one who is going to benefit. How exciting is that? So, this is your own business, guys. If you haven't yet, please start it today. That is number one, because it is your own business. If it grows, you are the one who is going to benefit 100%. Number two, it is low cost. Guys, starting a website is not expensive as compared to other brick and mortar businesses. Like in Kenya, I don't think for you to be able to start a very good business that will give you good returns, I think we should be talking about 100,000 Kenya shillings and above, right? But now with a website, you'll need actually less than $10 to buy to pay the hosting company, and another less than $10 to buy a domain name. All this you can do on Namecheap. Namecheap, I recommend it. Actually, my website is being hosted by Namecheap. I also bought the domain name from Namecheap. They have good services so far. I have no complaint, and their prices are affordable, especially for beginners. When your website grows and you like to add on some more features, or I don't know, security and all that, then you can always migrate to another hosting company that has the features that you're looking for. But as a beginner, don't go big. There's no need. As long as you have a reliable provider that can give you the services that you're looking for, I highly recommend Namecheap. I haven't seen any problem with it for the last 1 year. My website has good speed, it's always on. I have never experienced downtime. So, yeah, it is low cost. Number three, now is the time, guys. Because if you don't start now, then when? The right time to start anything is now. So when you wake up in the morning and you feel like, I have been putting this aside for too long, let me just start it. Yeah, that is the time to start, guys. Okay? So because there is no any other better time to start than now. You know, they tell you when you are planning to start a fitness journey, you are told to start today. Don't say you will start on Monday or next week or next month or next year. The time is now. Okay, so start your website right now, guys, and just enjoy the journey. You will see how it will grow if you do the right thing. Of course, I have so many videos on how to get started on blogging. Simply search on this channel how to start a blog and earn. You will get valuable information in that area. And then the last one, I guess, you'll enjoy the journey. Guys, yeah, I know that it's not a straight line. Blogging is just like any other business. There are times that you'll see it growing, then there are times that I don't know, Google will come and then it gives you fall from a cliff, but you will always rise, I can assure you. That is what happened to me in, was it April? April, yes. April 16th. And right now I can say that I am back and I'm growing in you know, now my website is just growing in what can I call it? Vertical line. Like I'm just going up. I hope you understand. So now you will enjoy the journey, the downs, the ups, writing, and then another thing. This is like a hobby because, like I said, choose something uh, that interests you, something that you are passionate about, and you'll not get bored when it comes to blogging. Okay, so choose a niche that you love. For example, if it is a fitness, if you love working out, if it is gardening, if you are someone who enjoys gardening, if you are someone who enjoys cooking, if you are someone who enjoys being a parent, you can share your parenting journey with the rest of the world. And I can assure you that you'll enjoy the journey. So, guys, I have given you all the reasons as to why you should start a blog. And then another one, guys, in the end, you will reap big. Blogging is still a viable business in 2023, guys. Don't be lied to that it is dead. No, 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 it's not. People are still making a lot of money with their websites. So the more reason why you should start now. Because if you don't start now, then when? Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have learned something. I hope I have encouraged someone out there who wanted to start with their blogging journey but just didn't feel it was the right time. Guys, it is the right time, so go ahead, watch the videos on blogging on this channel, and then go and start yours. I hope that you will come back and share your journey, or share, just whether you started, how it is going, and all that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.